Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to turn on smart driving in Realme 5 mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, you all have to do is scroll down and find the smart services. Okay, click smart services. And okay guys, here in smart services, okay, you can see the smart driving. Okay, click smart driving. And okay guys, here okay in smart driving, when you turn on smart driving, your phone Bluetooth will be turned on for you to connect to Bluetooth car kit. You can add smart driving to quick setting for easy access. And okay guys, you can see the smart driving. And okay guys, to turn on the smart driving, okay, you only have to do is switch on this button on the right side of the smart driving. And okay guys, smart driving is on and notification and alert are blocked to reduce distraction. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on the smart driving in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.